in my hands, the world's very first, I could not be more excited to spray this. 2 years ago, we launched a HyperShift pearl that rocked the market. ZBR HyperShift was the world's first black to red HyperShift, and it was crazy. Shortly after that, ZBO, the world's first black to orange HyperShift. And then it kind of died off. We have not launched another HyperShift color that's in this black to another color family in a long time. Well, the problem is I'm not the one who makes these colors. But the good news, we have an awesome relationship with the guys over at KP Pigments who are responsible for these crazy HyperShift colors. Now, this video that we're doing right here is such a big deal that standing right there is Peter from KP Pigments.
What's up, guys?
He flew down from New York to help us spray our RS7 right here. Don't worry, Gabe's right over there. He's going to help as always. Now, right here in my hands is ZBB. This is the world's very first black to blue HyperShift. And I could not be more excited to spray this. Now, Peter, the one thing I noticed right off the bat, not to get too technical here, but ZBR and ZBO, the powder of those two HyperShifts was black. And you could barely pick up a little bit of the accent color on it. And I noticed that the powder for ZBB is actually blue. Is that just a coincidence? Is there a reason for that?
You're right about that. So actually the reason is because this actually goes from blue to black. Primary color being blue when you first look at it, and kind of on the outskirts of the car in this case, you'll see that black.
This is the complete reverse of ZBR and ZBO. Where with ZBR, if I'm looking at the side of the car well lit, it's black with the accents being either red or orange. And on this one, the main primary color of the car would be blue, and then the accents shading to black. Look at this pigment, guys. This is wild. It's like a highly saturated, dark, super deep blue. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can make that go to black for you guys, but it looks like it's doing it. I've never seen a pigment like this before. I don't know if this is going to be easier or harder to spray, but with ZBR, very delicate balance for pigment load. If you go too many coats or too high of a pigment load with ZBR or ZBO, you lose that true black to red shift. Is this just like that?
Kind of the same deal, yeah.
Okay, so if we go too much pearl or too many coats, we're not going to have that true blue to black shift.
Right, if you do too much, you might get a few more colors in the mix.
Okay, it'll just go off the rails into...
Probably, yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. All right, we're going to stay on track for this one. Now, we have two trays here. Gabe has already pre-measured these. This one will give us a 10 gram per gallon load. This one will give us a 5 gram per gallon load. Gabe is over there staring very hard at the 5 gram per gallon tray. You want to go 5 grams a gallon? You think 10 would be a mistake? You think 5 is the move?
I think it's the safe move.
Well, the thing with 5 is it may be a mild effect, but it'll give us way more control because if we do too much, there's no turning back. So this is going to be 5 grams a gallon of ZBB, which I'm going to switch to blue to black, not black to blue, just to be accurate. Now, this is a very dense pearl. It's barely even breaking up. Holy cow. We may need the dispersion blade for this one before we even see any. Oh, it's starting to go a little bit. Let's see what the stick of truth says. I think that this pigment load might be so light that we may not even see too much going on here. Yeah, it's going to be well, can you kind of catch that? Well, here's the thing. It may not be the most impressive stick of truth, but it's much more important for this car to come out correctly than for us to show you the sample there. I am so pumped. ZBB on the R7. Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project, and I have been waiting for a blue to black HyperShift for a very long time and could not be happier to tell you we finally have one. This car looks unbelievable. It's giving you this classic, like, deep sea blue to black shifting effect, which looks awesome in the later part of the evening when you get that warmer light. It's a little bit more of like an indigo or purpley to black effect. Either way, it's blowing my mind. I'm gonna take it outside right now so you guys can check it out. Of course, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this color. I love to read your guys' feedback, and we absolutely made this one into a car kit for you guys. I know how popular it's gonna be. Link in the description box below. ZBB Car Kit will include everything you need to dip your vehicle ZBB, from the pearl, the gallons, the accessories, and a sprayer if you need one. Thank you to Peter for coming down and sharing this pearl with us. Had a ton of fun on this project. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next video.